Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss IMP question given by Maharashtra government. Our subject is Science and Technology part first. So the first question number first is multiple type of question. Okay. Now see question number first. A dash is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of motion of an object. So the answer is a force. A force is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of motion of an object. Question number second. The orbit of a planet revolving around a star is dash. So the answer is elliptical. The orbit of a planet revolving around a star is elliptical. Question number third. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the dash of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. So the options are square, square root, cube, cube root. So the answer is option C, cube. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. So the answer is cube. Fourth number question. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of those bodies and is dash of the distance between them. The answer is inversely proportional to the square. First, option A. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of those bodies and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Question number 5. The value of universal gravitational constant G in SI unit is, so the option is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, 6.673 into 10 raised to 11 Newton meter per kg. So the answer is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Option number A. Sixth number question. The dash force is much weaker than other force in the nature. So the gravitational force is the weaker force. The value of gravitational acceleration G is, the option is highest at the pole, highest at the equator, same everywhere on the surface of the earth, lowest at the pole. So the answer is highest at the poles. Question number 7, answer is option A. Question number 8. The value of gravitational acceleration G is dash at the equator. So the answer is 9.78 meter per second square. Option A. Question number 9. The free fall of an object is possible only in dash. So it is possible only in vacuum. So the option is B. The weight of any object on the moon is nearly dash of the weight of the earth. So the answer is 1/6. Option A. Number 11 question. A person weighs 60 Newton on earth. His weight on the moon will be 10 Newton. Option number D. Question number 12. Doberan's laid down the dash rule. So the option is A. Periodic, modern periodic, and trictives or octaves. So the option third is incorrect. It is a triad rule. So the option is third, that is triad rule. Question number 13. Newland's law of octave is applied up to dash. So the Newland law of octave is applicable up to calcium only. X and Y are two elements having similar properties which obey Newland's law of octaves. The minimum and maximum number of elements in between X and Y respectively are 6 and 8. Option A. 15 number question. At the time of Mendeleev's dash elements were known. At the time of Mendeleev, just 63 elements were known. Next question. In Mendeleev's periodic table, Ica silicon was later named as germanium. Option C. In modern periodic table, the number of columns and period are respectively dash and dash. So 18 and 17. 18 columns and 7 row. 18 and 7. Option C. Next question. Dash is the outermost shell for elements of period 2. So answer is L shell. 19 number question. The group 1 and 2 constitute the dash block, S block elements. Which pair of atomic number represent element in the same group? So 11 and 19 are the pair of atomic number represent element in the same group. 21. Which among the following element would lose an electron easily? If you are going to talk about group first, then it is sodium. And if you are going to talk about group second, then it is Mg, means magnesium. So the answer is sodium. Which among the following is the largest element? So potassium is the largest element. Question number 23. Arrange the following element in order of their decreasing metallic character: sodium, silicon, chlorine, magnesium, aluminium. So the decreasing metallic characters element is sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, and then chlorine at last. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the modern periodic table? So valency is the answer. 25th number question. On moving from left to right in a periodic table, the size of the atom decreases. Answer is decreases. Is which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? So 18 horizontal rows are known as period. 7 vertical columns are known as period. 18 vertical columns are known as group. 7 horizontal rows are known as period. So the correct answer is option C. 18 vertical columns are known as group. Next question. The D block element are called as dash element. So the D block element are called as transition elements. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius. The size of atom is indicated by its radius. Number question. Dash is the distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost shell. So distance is atomic radius. Now 30 number question. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit called as picometer. Atomic radius is expressed in picometer. The tendency of an element to form cations in the dash character of that element, then it is a metallic character. The tendency of an element to form cations is the metallic character of that element. Dash is a liquid form in the halogen family. So bromine is an element which is in a liquid form in an halogen family. While going from top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius dash. While going top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius increases. The option A is correct. The tendency of an element to form anions is the dash character of that element. So the answer is non-metallic character. The elements from the zero group are called noble gas. The elements from the zero group are called as noble gas because they have zero valency. Writing a chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formula is called as chemical equation. Option C is correct. When the positive charge on an ions increases or the negative charge on them decreases, it is called as oxidation. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called as dash reaction. So the answer is decomposition reaction. In the chemical equation, the dash are written on the left hand side, so it is a reactant. In chemical equation, the reactant are written on the left hand side. Last question of this video is, the aqueous solution of ZnSO4 is added into an aqueous solution of BaCl2. This is the example of dash reaction. So the answer is double displacement reaction. So now in this video just we have discussed about 40 questions. We have total 131 questions, and in next video we are going to discuss from 41 number questions. Okay, thank you.